Alright. Audience, you can wave, yeah. Audience. Audience. My name is Dauderman. Today I'm going to give a speech on signal flow and how information is sent from one side of the world to the other. I'm a 25 Sierra Satellite Communication Systems Operator and Maintainer. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, signal flow, first question is, what is signal flow? Signal flow is the path that data takes from one end user to the satellite back to the other end user. But how exactly it works is a little bit iffy for most people. So what we're going to start with is the uplink. The uplink is the information from one end user to the satellite. So it starts here at the end user. End user will take, for this example, we'll use an email and sends it through their network into their ISP. We'll take it in through a switch. The switch can take in multiple end users and sends it out to a single router. The router takes the information and sends it from the switch, depending on where it needs to be, whether it's voice or data, to a modem. The modem takes the signal from ones and zeros, or binary encryption, or code, whatever you want to call it, and transfers it to a frequency, either high frequency, ultra high frequency, whatever you need. Once it's a radio frequency of some sort, it needs to be amplified enough to get sent to the satellite. So it takes it and sends it to an HPA, which is a high-powered amplifier. The high-powered amplifier gives it the power to get from your antenna to the satellite. And that is the uplink of your email to the satellite. The satellite takes your signal and sends it over roughly about a third of the Earth's surface, but only in the specific frequency that your modem switched the data to. And then it'll send it back down in another antenna that's receiving the same frequency. Will receive the data and send it to, it's called an LNA or an LNB. An LNA is a low noise amplifier. An LNB is a low noise block down converter. They do the same thing. They take the information from the satellite that your dish received and gets rid of all the noise that it picked up traveling through the air. Once it's at the LNA and it has a signal that can be read, it is sent to the modem on the end user side. And the modem takes it from a radio frequency and puts it back to ones and zeros so the data can be used. Once the data can be read by the router, it's sent back. When the router decides if it's a voice or a data signal, if it's a voice signal, it sends it to usually a type of call manager, or it'll send it over to a switch, which will then connect it back out to multiple end users. So the email that you sent from here has been put into one single signal, routed to the modem, changed from ones and zeros to a radio frequency through a wavelength, which looks like this. Powered up by the HPA, put onto your dish and sent to the satellite. When the satellite sends it, it'll either send it in a spiral formation or a horizontal or vertical wavelength. The reason that it does that is because every antenna is sending and receiving at the same time. If your signal, if your frequency is doing the same thing in and out, it's gonna get mixed up and you're gonna lose all of that data. And that is the most basic form of how signal flow works and how it gets from one side of the world to the other.